Check 1 2, check 1 2. Check 1 2, check. Check. Check 1 2, check. Check 1 2, check. Test 1 2. Okay. So basically what happened is got the unit back, tried to turn it on, wouldn't turn on. Took it apart, thought to check the fuse, which is in the back. I'll show you here in a second. And fuse was good. Realized that power wasn't plugged in. Plugged the power back. Plugged the power in. I may have had the battery disconnected at some point in time, but I heard some stuff moving around in there, and I noticed that the battery zip ties had been broken. So I don't know if UPS dropped it or whatever the hell happened. So anyways, checked battery voltage, and that was actually pretty interesting because it was at 8.7 volts and it's an 8-volt battery, or it's rated at 8 volts. It's for 2 volts or something like that, or 1.5 volts or something along those lines. 2 volts probably. So anyways, battery voltage was good, which was surprising, just because it hadn't been turned on in, I guess I would imagine a week or so, and it had showed low battery before. So I tested battery voltage, test the switch, and then plugged everything back in, and those all tested good, and pretty much I got what I got, which is that. And what was really interesting is that the memory was still there, which is what I was actually kind of surprised at. So this is what was what was on the auction, that particular stored memory. And let's see, and that's pretty much it. I don't know. We'll hopefully you'll call me and talk to me about it, and we'll figure out what to do. But we'll figure that out at some particular point in time and go from there. But anyways, this is I can't say that I got it working. The only thing that I can think that happened is that the somehow the battery, I can't believe that it was holding on to it was freaking it out. So to be honest with you, I really have no idea. The only thing that got reset in essence was taking the battery out. So I don't know if the bad power or something like that got plugged in, but anyways, this is where we stand right now. So hopefully the video was relatively informative and whatever. All right. So the other thing is also where the fuse was, and if it is important to you, the fuse, as you can see, is right there. It's right back there in the back. So it tested good, and I checked the leads as well too off of that plug. Let me see if I can get it in focus. Off that plug right there. So I tested all those were good. Tested power there, tested obviously power's good, ground's good, and I guess that was pretty much about it. So I'm gonna button it back up and then talk to you, and then hopefully go from there. All right,